is actually the world's most popular snack.
But the way it's made is a scientific mystery.
Inside this fortress, hygiene is the law.
It starts with tons of meat trimmings arriving daily.
These are the leftovers from high-end steaks.
Some meat arrives frozen in rock-hard blocks. Before grinding, giant spikes crush the frozen blocks. Gravity feeds it into the industrial grinder.
It comes out looking like ground beef noodles.
For chicken dogs, machines separate meat from bone. The bones are discarded. Only the meat remains.
All the ground meat meets in this giant mixer.
Starch is the glue that holds the hot dog together.
The massive helical blades kick into high gear. This isn't gentle stirring anymore, it's violent blending.
Watch closely. As the nitrates mix in, a chemical reaction begins. This locks in that characteristic pink color. Otherwise, the hot dog would turn gray when
A generous dusting of paprika is added. This gives the hot dog its subtle flavor and contributes to that appetizing reddish color.
A worker checks the consistency. Right now, it's still chunky and coarse, like regular ground meat. But it won't stay this way for long.
It enters the emulsifier, a blender on steroids. Blades spin at thousands of RPM. A vacuum sucks out all the air so the hot dog isn't bubbly.
The friction turns the meat into a smooth batter.
Behold, the famous pink paste.
Pumps push this batter to the stuffing line.
But first, we need a skin to hold it all together. These aren't animal intestines, they are long tubes of cellulose casing.
The casing is loaded onto the stuffing horn. The casing is loaded onto the stuffing horn. The batter is shot in. It happens faster than a blink. Every few inches, mechanical rollers pinch and twist the tube. Twink, twist, link, link. A continuous chain of sausages is born. It looks endless, like a giant edible necklace.
Operators watch the line like hawks. This machine pumps out 700 hot dogs every single minute.
They move like a snake towards the racking area. The pace is relentless. Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, picking up the delicate chains with calculated precision.
Right now they look pale and raw. They need fire and smoke to become hot dogs.
The racks are wheeled into the smokehouse. These massive ovens are the heart of the flavor.
We don't use wood fire anymore.
Instead, they are showered in a fine mist of liquid smoke for that consistent BBQ flavor.
As they bake, the magic happens. The heat sets the proteins, and the color transforms to that classic hot dog red.
They are cooked until the internal temperature hits a safe 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
They emerge steaming hot. But they can't stay hot, or they will shrivel up.
Immediate cold shower. Gallons of freezing water stop the cooking process instantly.
Salty brine chills them down to the core, locking in the juices. Once cooled, the chains are dumped onto the peeling line conveyor.
See that faint stripe? That marks the casing. We can't eat plastic, so it has to go.
Enter the peeler. This is the most satisfying machine in the entire factory.
And just like that, the skin shoots off into a vacuum tube. It's oddly hypnotic to watch.
Out come the naked dogs, skinless, smooth, and ready to eat.
This machine peels 50 hot dogs every single second. No human could ever compete.
The plastic casings are collected here. They did their job, but now they are trash.
Quality control is strict. Inspectors watch the rolling army for any defects. Any hot dog with a bald spot or a break is tossed out immediately.
The survivors are counted electronically and grouped into squads of 10.
A blanket of plastic film is laid over them.
Whoosh! The vacuum machine sucks out every molecule of air to keep them fresh.
Heat bars press down, sealing the package tight.
The continuous roll is chopped into individual family packs.
The brand label is slapped on faster than you can blink.
Every pack gets a birthday and an expiration date. One final safety check. An X-ray scanner ensures there are no metal fragments inside. Robots box them up. They never get tired, and they never miss. Stacked high on pallets, ready for the long journey. They wait in the massive cold storage warehouse.
From here, they are shipped to supermarkets and baseball stadiums across the country.
But the journey ends in your backyard, sizzling on the grill.
Nestled in a bun, topped with mustard. A classic.